Hey, it's Cody with Short Stacks RCs, and in this video we're going to review a wheel and tire setup for one of my comp trucks. Alright, let's start this video off. We do have the new Maz Designs Vader wheels here. They are a 1-inch beadlock. They did come in a few different colors, but the last time I was on the website for mazdesigns.com, they were sold out. They did come in a purple, a raw, a bronze, and of course the black finish that I do have here. Alright, in the bag you did get all 4 wheels. You got a standard screws for it, plus also a scale screw, plus a tool for the scale screws. Alright, let's put one of these on the scale to see what we got. 22 grams. Not bad, not bad. Alright, next, let's look at the tires I will be running. These are the Injora Rock Terrain Crawler tires. Alright, now that we got those out the bag, let's check these out. These are their S5 compound. Like I stated, super sticky. Like I said, they do have their own foam inserts. Probably will not be running those in there. So let's that'll be the next thing we're looking at. Lug pattern. I think what I'm gonna put in the tires are these CCXRC 3D printed inserts made by Tony over at CCXRC. He calls these the saplings. They're the second style of 3D printed wheel inserts that he has made and sells on his website over at scx24.com. The first ones are his pine trees. The saplings do come in 2 different colors, an orange and a blue. The blue ones are 31 millimeter and they're made for more of trail style wheels. The orange ones, which I have here, are the ones that I'm going to use. They were test fitted to fit injora wheels and also CCXRC's brass wheels that he sells on his website. The dimensions of these are 28 millimeter inner diameter and a 45 millimeter outer diameter, and they are 16 millimeter wide. They are test fitted to fit the RC 4-wheel drive Patagonias, but I think they'll fit the Injora Rock Terrains just fine. Alright, let's get these wheels built. Maz Designs does recommend to set the bead, to do it with the at least 4 standard screws, and then slowly taking them out and replacing them with the scale screws. So, alright, let's get started on these here. They are on there. They did fit. That is awesome. Now let's see if we can get them in the tire with the inner ring on. Alright, so after a little bit of messing around and building, I was originally going with the orange ones here, but I think I'm going to go with the blue ones here. I like the way they fit. I have them in these here. I like the sidewall give. This one was okay, the orange ones, but I didn't like how it was. I redid it a couple times and it's just not, the bead's just not setting right. This one here, the bead is setting right. I do only have 4 in there, but it is nice and closed. So I think we're gonna go with the blue ones. In my first initial video, I did say I was gonna be using the orange saplings, but after building and testing, I decided to switch out over to the blue saplings. They fit the inner brass ring a little bit better, and they set the bead a lot better. So on this one, it was a no-brainer to switch over to these ones. Let's go ahead and get this one built. Got the bead set with the 4 initial standard screws. Now let's get the scale screws put in. Alright, got the wheels mounted onto the rig. Let's see how they do on this little bit of a rock formation I have from some outside rocks. Not too bad there. Had a little bit of a hiccup. Let's turn it around and let's go back this way. Alright, now that little bit of a video we did here was an alright thing, but I do have a competition later today. That's why I had to get these on this in a timely manner. So let's see how they do at the competition today. I will see you guys there. And here's a little bitty video of it rolling. Not too bad of a start. This is a little snippet. This is the end of the course. My buddy here couldn't get the video until he ran his and I had to go, so got into the tunnel. Little bit of a hiccup here on the thing, got hung up on my belly a little bit. When in doubt, I throttle it out and it comes up and over, and as you can see, the struggle, and there she goes, up and over. And on this one here is a little bit of a wall climb. I struggled with a little bit here, got hung up on the sign there, almost took the sign out. Back it up, go forward, and this here was a pretty cool course. It was the length of his wall, probably 20 foot. up and over. You know, I'd done this before the competition practice, just driving all of us that were. Don't know what happened here. I got up over, got hung up a little bit again. I do run no springs in this comp rig. Hiccup, you know, throttled it, hooked, and I tumbled down. Man, that was not satisfying at all how that happened. But as you can see here, after that, I think I did pretty good. My cameraman did really good at catching it and how it was, so appreciate it. My cameraman was C4K RC. Again, that's CK4 RC. Go check him out. He does have some good videos. He is new to the RC crawler of the minis. Does have some really good videos. Go check him out. In this competition, I did end up getting, I think it was 4th in this. I ended up with 11 points total, which ain't too bad. It was my first time there. I thought I did pretty decent. Did some minor changes, and let's see where I go with the next one. Peace out. Remember to like, favor, and subscribe. If you have any other video options, shoot me a message, and we'll see what we can do.